Hey, it's Ryan Morris at Advanced RV. Here is a 2019 Fleetwood Pace Arrow 36U. It is 37.58 feet long, 12.17 feet tall, packed with a ton of muscle. This is a 340 horsepower Freightliner chassis, Cummins diesel. So here we go. We're gonna go inside. There's tons of storage all around. It's got a diesel generator, Samsung TV on the outside, just in case you want to come out here under this amazing awning. It's got a protected covered awning, slide toppers, all kinds of amazing things. But you walk inside here, and it is absolutely beautiful. You see a residential fridge right off the bat, and on your right hand side, all your controls as you walk in. Beautiful coach. This has less than 6,000 miles on it. It's got a bunk bed that comes down up above the cab, just in case you want to have some extra people stay over. Of course, the dinette and the sofa turn into a bed as well. Beautiful Corian countertops, high-rise faucet sink, double sink here, pull down there, convection 2-burner stovetop with a full-size microwave. Lots of storage all throughout this coach. It's got pantry, fireplace, TV. There's also Dirt Devil for a vacuum as well, and overhead compartments all along the way. As you come onto the back of the coach, there is a mid bath. So you have a little half bath here, some storage, window for some light, medicine cabinet storage, and then in the master bedroom you've got a king bed that sits upright as well, and then storage all throughout here. And they've thought of a bunch of different features on this. It's big enough that they give you washer dryer. They've also got a spot where you can put jewelry or remotes, just in case you have like 10,000 remotes like this one does, because there's TVs everywhere. Coming to the back of the coach, here's your master bathroom. Big deep storage there, more controls for the lighting, beautiful vanity, and then of course a full-size shower with a huge sitting area so you can shave legs or read a book in the shower. I don't know, it's massive. So dual air conditioner, just an incredible piece of machinery. If you want to know more about it or come down and take it for a test drive, go to advancedrv.net, where you can see all the information on this 2019 36U Pace Arrow by Fleetwood.